Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how to insert a new page in Google Docs on desktop. If you have opened Google Docs in desktop and you are working and you have one page or two pages and you want to insert a new page, so I will show you here. As you can see here, I have prepared a newsletter, company newsletter, and I have two pages. So we will add actually page break. Page break will move the content where we will add the page break. After that, it will move the content to another page. For instance, here you can see the title is here, why you should learn graphic designing. So if I click here and click on insert, and here you can see break, page break. So if you click here, see after this content has been moved to the next third page, to the new page, and here we can now see we can write another thing. Control Z for undo. Let me show you from here. For instance, this page, we have two pages and we want to add another page here. So we will go to the insert and break and page break. See, after this title, everything has moved to the next page, and see now we have three pages. So this is the easy method to insert a new page in Google Docs if you are using on desktop. I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Kindly share the video with your friends so they can also increase new things and they can increase their professional skills, and also subscribe to my channel so you will get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.